Hey guys, welcome to this Hall of Fame interview. And I'm here with Jagannath Das and his good wife, Uma. They are from Bangalore and they got into the Freedom Business Model, the Internet Lifestyle Hub community in December 2020. Interesting thing is they are belly fat loss coaches, very specific niche. And they're running a community called the Fume Shredding Hub. Okay. Interesting thing is in the last 3 months, they've been able to achieve over 5.5 lakhs by implementing the Freedom Business Model and all the systems over here. They have over 80 plus paid students in their community and they're just getting warmed up. Great to see both of you in the Hall of Fame and you achieved this in the 3-month period. I normally say 90 days to this milestone of Hall of Fame and you guys are on track. So congratulations. Welcome to the Hall of Fame.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sid. So basically give a background. So we're from Bangalore. I am working in IT currently. And it was a year last year when what happened is, COVID started, right? The lockdown started. And during that time, both of us were actually very fat. I was somewhere 82 kgs. And
wow.
So 74, we have 2 children. And at that point of time, actually fitness was never in our mind. Business was never in our mind. But at that point of time, we decided that how about getting fit? We decided, and I lost 17 kgs and Uma lost 19 kgs.
Wow. Within a span of 1 year, is it?
6 months. 6 months down, 6 months time.
Amazing. Yes.
So we found that ourselves, being more productive, more creative, so we did better in our job, in our life and everything. Children also loved us. So everything happened, and we thought, why don't you make something out of it? Help a lot of people are struggling in this whole weight loss journey.
Yes.
There's no proper guidelines, no system, and everybody is following some kind of
random information which is floating everywhere across YouTube and Google. And we were also stuck there, but gradually we made ourselves acquainted with the science and we did international certifications and gone through the journey. We applied all the knowledge on us, and that's how we thought of helping the community in a much way, removing all the myths which is floating everywhere.
Amazing. So it took you 6 to 8 months to get back into shape and in a healthy way.
Yeah.
And when you bought my course in December, what was the situation in your life? Like you're already gained weight, or did you already think about doing courses and stuff like that?
Yeah, correct. So around July, August, I was already started some courses and all. But most of the courses are theoretical, like certifications and all. They talk about do ClickFunnels, do ConvertKit. But I was not able to connect the dots. The challenge happening is how exactly you can connect everything. I was looking for some information, somebody can help. And that point of time, I was browsing. I saw, I think, your ad somewhere, an online coach and all. I was thinking, should I take it or not? And I was little, because I never met you before. I never had any information. Then what happened one day, I was just browsing here and there and I came across Sandeep's group. Sandeep was, both of us are connected in one of the book reading club. Previously, we have, in early 2020, we used to have book reading club. And I saw an interview with you. Hall of Fame interview. And I called him, what is this? I do know him. So Sandeep told that, Siddharth, I'm with Siddharth and I'm part of it. So that's how I got the belief that, somebody is connected with, if I know somebody who knows you, so there should be some kind of, genuineness will be there.
Yes.
Then, so then I got started with the silver membership. End of December. And that was the time when the, this one, hackathon was starting early January. Okay.
Yes.
It was, and I, in fact, started doing certain things like, which I always was thinking to do, but never did it. Like, gold cards. Okay. 2 gold cards. One is a short term and mid term. I mean, we all read all these things, right? But we never apply. So when I went through courses, I started doing that, starting writing my goals every single day. And that was like, awakening kind of thing. And hackathon was like mind boggling. When I went through courses, I could connect all the dots. How exactly, ClickFunnels comes to picture, how the ConvertKit comes to picture, how the Zapier comes. So when you connect all this, you are getting a foolproof system, which is working for so many people.
Yes.
So, and not only that, many of the things like your background from Bangalore and, belly fat is one of the things you used to keep on using during.
Yeah, I use that as an example in one of my courses and you guys are right on it. Okay.
So I thought the right.
Was your designation belly fat expert before my course or only after coming to the course you zeroed it?
After. So we have gone through your niche clarity video, many times, figure out what is our niche, what is that we can, be proud of and confidently talk to people. And that had actually, changed our mindset, our life. And of course, we are what we are doing right now is all because of your knowledge, your information, which you gave us. So
thank you.
really thankful to you, because we were struggling literally last year what to do, how to scale up, how to do things. So you came as a ray of hope in our life, and we really loved every session of hackathon. We enjoyed thoroughly. I mean, I was not much into the system part of it, but he made me to understand how the process is, because obviously we all humans look for shortcuts.
So were you both doing the courses together? You were watching all the courses together?
Yes. The hackathon we have gone through together. So I really loved your voice, the way you communicate. It was like, wow, that wow factor is there. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Uma, for sharing. Great to know. So last year you would have spent a lot of time in, of course, your journey of weight loss. Correct. And getting back to shape, and the certifications part. I'm pretty sure you'd have also invested quite a lot of money into getting certified and all the formulas. Correct. So compared to what you learned in the certifications, and then you come into this world, and now in the curriculum design, I tell all of you to simplify it and make it better. So tell us about the difference between the certification process that you went through and the digital coaching process that you went through over here.
Correct. So the certification generally talks about everything like weight loss, protein, carbohydrate, and fat, and all this stuff, right? And the process of weight loss. But what I don't teach you how exactly connect to the digital world. The typical academics thing, which is pretty theoretical, and when you do in the real life, things are different. Okay. The challenge how to get people to know about that we have lost 36 kgs. How to get leads. So those things they don't teach you. They just talk about a very high level, go through this, go through that. There's no practical application which you can go through. So here we found is the process like niche validation, niche clarity formula, then webinar selling formula. In fact, those are typically step-by-step process, which gives results on the spot. We don't have to look for anything else. Yeah. So what I found here is the way we process the whole course, right? Even the silver membership, the grassroots level, somebody gets into silver membership. I mean, he has high potential to scale to business any level. Or diamond is obvious. I upgraded to diamond within 1 week. In fact, I got a real benefit out of diamondship, because then I could download. I could get all this automation mystery and all stuff, which I'm really working big time. Starting to working into that, because my webinars more than 2 times a week. So I'm thinking of getting auto webinars. So what I'm saying here is, Siddharth, like, the process, right? The hackathon step-by-step process. In fact, I can tell you one example. Like we used to always know that we need to go live. Go live, and we never did that actually. Sometimes we don't do. And I remember one of the times you talk about going live, talk about a story, podcast, and video, and all that sequence was the right breakdown of the different tasks. Yes. And we started going live. Okay, I remember one of the times you were talking about to go by organically you can make 1 lakh in a month. Something you told, I remember 90 days or something. Yes. Initially, it was not. We are not believing, because we lost weight. People complimented, or we did not make 1 lakh rupees. Okay, people compliment. They say, "Yeah, great job, man. Can you help me to lose weight?" But we did not make any money out of it, because it's a more simple advice. But believe me, the time you told me, and I was having lack of belief whether we can make 1 lakh. But we started doing webinars. Okay, a lot of webinars I was doing. We made 3 lakh rupees organically without any ads.
All of you hearing this, you made 3 lakh rupees organically without spending money on ads. Awesome. And how did you, so the hackathon helped you build it up? Tell us about the build up process. Like how did you make that 3 lakh rupees without spending on ads?
Correct. So what happened initially when you went through your hackathon process, right? So step by step, like freedom business model, go about niche clarity, then talk about, the time you talk about the videos, right? Live videos, that time I understood that we need to kind of be visible to the world. Yes. So I have 5,000 friends in Facebook, but they don't know who am I, because there's so many feeds are running in Facebook. So I started going live every single day. First step I did is I started a lead magnet, which was like having an ebook. And for the ebook, we asked people, what is the challenge you're facing in weight loss? So content, we got the problems first. Then we have all the tools like aboutask.com, something you told that. Yeah. So all these things, we got the information. Then we started writing the ebook. That was a starting point. It's like, when you can coach the book you've written, I think it's a starting point to go about towards that journey. And when you write that, then got a lot of people are interested in, they told the challenges, they write the book. Then all these things get into ConvertKit, our kind of funnel, right?
Yes.
Then I started my first webinar with my 100+ audience, which I ConvertKit. We are around, that time it's organic, so we did not have a lot of turn-ups, but more than 50% at 4,000 rupees.
Okay, nice.
People, and 10 people will get started at 4,000 rupees. This kind of business in weekly basis, we started getting. So that gave a belief that, this will happen. Now once the lead magnet, we just did enough. After that, we started going live. Okay, by going live, I created my funnel in ClickFunnels, connected to ConvertKit. So that also I generated a lot of leads. In fact, now I have 11,000 leads. Awesome. I never had my 15 years of corporate. I never had so many email database. I can't believe that 11,000 it could ever be possible. And when I look at your numbers, say 2 lakh people, I think it's possible in the next couple of years.
Easy. You will do it. You'll do it much faster because you have a system now, and even your topic is it's a hot topic. Yeah. Awesome. Uma, what do you want to share when it comes to Jagannath just shared about the technology and how he's able to build it up. For you, what would you like to share when it comes to seeing him generate these kind of sales? And you're managing the clients, like all of you are watching. Uma takes and actually works with the client. Jagannath does the sales, so they're working together as husband and wife. So tell us about your experience of watching him sell, getting those numbers, and then now they're coming to you to get the actual counseling. What's that feeling like?
It's absolutely awesome. So what I do is when the sales is happening, I'm making a record how many, we are just doing. So that is amazing. I just cannot express that, but in words, but emotionally, if I tell that, it gives an awesome feeling, and I so great that we are building on, and I can see the future now. We are now making lakhs, then the target is to come in a crore club. We were looking forward desperately to be in the Hall of Fame in 3 months time. That's the target we had actually kept when you were talking about in 90 days Hall of Fame is doable. So we were watching all the people who were actually making it happen, and we were thinking that we have to crack it, and actually cracked it. We tracked every activity, and we could crack that, and that was awesome. And then now when you launched the Crore Club, and you will be giving the trophy, not the trophy, the badges. Yes. So we are looking forward to it. We are counting ourselves in that club. So, nice. When the future is so clear, you are always excited. So every day is a new day with a new hope, with new excitement, new goals. Amazing. So that is what we are aiming at now.
Just to add that, when I got a lot of clients, she got a lot busy now because she has to. Previously, she was literally free. Now she's always in a call. It's like she's like doing a job right now. She's always in a call.
How does it feel, Uma, like working with now people, and because even that call you're doing with them, I'm pretty sure that call is going to change their life. In some way or other, it's going to move them in a direction. So. Tell us about that feeling on you working with people more on a one-to-one basis. Does it feel like working in a job, or do you feel like doing more of this? Tell us about that.
Not exactly. It is not that monotonous job kind of a thing. It's always new experience. I'm also learning new things from people when they share their experience, how they're feeling. And, I talk to them as a friend, as a mentor, that, I have the capacity to, take you from that ditch. So yes. I always have that feeling, that how I can help better so that they feel about themselves like a champion and they can do it. So I'm working on those feelings to give that, customer delight to them, that whenever they are talking to me, they are say, wow, Uma, that's how our community will also build. And that's how, we also feel good about ourselves that we are doing something great. So that's awesome. The emotions and feelings.
Awesome. Yeah. Great to know. And how I've created milestones here, Hall of Fame, you both were aspiring to come and now you've achieved the Hall of Fame. Next is Crore Club. Have you created any kind of gamification within your community? Or any levels where they, do you recognize people who achieve milestones? You have anything like that?
Yes. So basically, we go with their testimonies, 1 month, what they have achieved, how they have, and that's how we, showcase to everyone. Showcase to the world that, this has been achieved, and in a very holistic manner, without any fad diets, without, giving up your favorite food, without rigorous exercise, you can make it happen.
Awesome. So you feature them in your inner circle call, you make them share their experience. In all our
social media.
Testimonials.
Yes.
Wonderful. Superb. So let's now get into the marketing process, because a lot of people watching this are part of our community, and they'll also be inspired, based on how did you actually convert. So walk us from the stage of lead generation. You already mentioned that you're doing lives and all of that,
Correct.
but tell us the entire journey of your marketing funnel.
Okay, so basically, Siddharth, like what I have is I have a ClickFunnels, which is as a landing page, which is in everywhere, in my Facebook page and everywhere. So the time people enroll for that, then I conduct webinars, free webinars.
Okay.
When it's give it free, people actually, I mean, that's what the India is all about, you know, they like free things. That's why I generate a lot of leads. And once they come to it, this one, I keep on engaging and nurturing them because I have a ConvertKit automation funnel, which I have also learned from you, your friend. So like sequence things, and I keep on engaging them, and I keep on talking about my success and her success and how exactly our client's success, and invite them for the webinars. So once they come to the webinars, then it's a typical, you know, sales webinar, which you have in a webinar selling formula.
Yes.
It's really crazy. I remember the first time I did it, I in fact made some notes I kept in front of my eyes, on a board, right? I wrote on a board, I might forget things, right?
Yeah.
And this is so powerful. I understand, you know, sometimes if you don't listen to it, we forget it actually what to talk. One point of time I was again going down in my webinars. It was not again, I started going through this same your webinar selling formula. It was like crazy. It gives so much of result, right? In fact, I have recovered more than 5 times of investment, you know, in a couple of webinars. That much I can tell you.
Wow.
And it's powerful. And I love your, I've gone through many other courses, but this is the best. The webinar selling, because it's pretty much for the Indian audience. This because the Indian mind is different, right? Because a lot of people in US, they are doing a lot of webinars, similar things, but they are not for our crowd. Our minds are different. So then I keep on doing. Then I promote my L1. L1 is typically our group coaching format. So transformation, but in a group coaching format. So that's L1. And from there, we moved them to L2. L2 is where one-on-one coaching. So they get one-on-one coaching if some of them are interested. Generally, most of the transformation happens in L2, but also L1 also people get it if they are motivated. And L3 is where it's more of longer of L2. It's kind of longer term, like 1 year kind of, almost 1 year. So yeah, we have got very good results. In fact, I'm planning right now how exactly we can optimize things and all stuff. Yeah, but this is giving very good results. We are getting people in all different levels. That's
superb. And what are your price points like in your level 1, level 2, level 3?
Yeah, so level 1 is we started with 4,000. Right now it's 6,000. And level 2 is, again, the names are like what you have kept: silver, gold, and diamond. I don't want to name anything.
Nice.
Silver is at 6,000, gold is at 12,000, and diamond is at 40,000.
Superb. Great. And so the marketing process is you're doing a lot of Facebook lives and then getting them to that landing page. And then besides that, you're running Facebook ads also. How much would you have spent on ads so far?
So I have currently spent around, I started with 30,000 budget and moved to 70,000. Now recently I moved to 1 lakh per month.
1 lakh per month.
Yes.
Awesome.
Currently we're getting 2 to 2.5 returns.
2 to 2.5x. Yeah. So you put 1 rupee and 2.5 rupees comes out on the other side. Amazing.
Yeah.
Great. So now I'll pass it on back to Uma. Uma, the question to you is, what is your process of, coaching people? Like, and before that, you can just tell us how many one-to-ones have you done till now? And what did you learn from those one-to-ones in terms of, improving the one-to-one itself? Like what all have you learned to improve that process? Let us know. Yeah.
Yes. I mean, it's a learning process every time. So when we started with the 4,000, we were, doing a lot of one-to-ones. And what was happening is then that L1 was not converting to L2.
Okay.
So that challenge we faced initially. So we changed our product. Then we changed our product, and at group coaching, it's all about group coaching. I don't do any one-to-one. I do one at L2 only when they are
only at L2. Okay, so right now it's one to many, and so what do you do in that call to help them move forward? Any template you have? Yes.
Generally, I take their Q&As.
Q&As. Okay.
Yeah. So still, how to convert them to L2 is we are still, working on that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Q&A is what you put a Google form, you ask the questions, and you keep answering questions for how long?
Then I go live with them on Zoom.
You go live with them on Zoom. Okay.
Yes. So they can ask, they can talk to me, if they can talk journal things also if they want. So I spend time with them. It's more like spending time with them, know them better. And if they have any queries, definitely they can put across. So I became very friendly there. And then, if anybody is looking for a specific thing, then I check, I call them personally, and then I take them to the L2 level. I propose L2 then.
And how are you managing the group? You're putting them to a WhatsApp group, all the paid members, or do you have a Telegram group?
Telegram group.
Telegram group. Okay,
yeah,
you
so
can scale it.
Them. Yes, so we engage them. So I keep, doing the challenges within the group. I keep sharing recipes in the group so that they are engaged. They are also participating. It's not that just making a Telegram group and leaving them.
Got it.
That's
superb. Great to know. So tell us about your weekly routine. Like, when do you do the webinars? When do you do the team? What do you say? Weekly calls. Just tell us about the structure. Yeah.
So I was doing one webinar per week, but with the time with the ads, we started spending more. You get a lot of leads. So I found that one webinar is not suffice because 1 week people can't wait. So I started doing 2 webinars now. Tomorrow there's a webinar 8 o'clock, and there's next one is on Saturday. So 2 days in a week. And one thing I think just to add that we also do group exercises in part of the silver membership. So that is also do twice a week.
Okay.
And also have our the teachable, we have a lot of fat burning exercises, a lot of things that they are basically we're talking about 3 things here which is very important for the weight loss. One is nutrition, we're talking about fitness and community. The 3 together, a holistic weight loss, right? So in this, what we're doing is we are doing webinars on 2 days, and I'm doing also this Q&A session we're doing alternate week actually. Okay. Every week we have live sessions. So people is there, and what we tell them that want to send your workout photos, post workout. Don't rush to the washroom. First take the selfie, then you go.
Okay.
I want to see how you look after the workouts. That's
nice.
And though we are a small team, but it's really a lot of excitement is happening, and people are so excited that energy is coming. We are also doing that. It's not that we are preaching it. We are practicing, preaching both together.
Awesome.
And that is the people see that, and every day we are trying to get better on ourselves, because I know that if I don't get better, if I just sit idle, okay, everything arrival syndrome I get into, we both get into, then it's not gonna work.
Then Crore Club will not going to happen.
Then we'll not be role model for the people, right? We are just not work that way.
Absolutely. And you mentioned that in such a nice way, because this journey of digital coaching, it is not just about being a teacher. It is about being an implementer, because then you'll have the moral authority. Like when you say it, people will get it because you're doing it yourself. So it has that's the approach. And I'm so glad both of you are, following that. So this question is, top 3. I like asking this question, like based on whatever you've learned after coming into this community, we can have both your perspectives. We'll start with Uma, then come to Jagannath. What do you think are your top 3 biggest, takeaways after coming to Internet Lifestyle Hub?
Oh my God. I mean, everything which we are doing right now, it's the crux of your, system which we have implemented. So that is, I think, the biggest thing we have learned, and how to, run a business digitally. And how to be better as a person. Like, you always talk about charity. So that's always, moving in my head, we have made this much, so let's do some charity.
Nice.
So that's one of the values, best values, we have. Otherwise, it never comes into our mind that charity also we have to do.
Yeah. Yes.
So we always think about filling our pockets. So now that's the biggest virtue we have. I have learned.
Awesome. So from what I can get from you, Uma, is number 1 is how to run a business digitally. 2 is the element of charity. Anything else? What else has impacted you besides these 2? One more point.
Value of community.
Value of community. Okay.
Yes.
Building communities.
Without community, you cannot rise, above average.
Absolutely.
Community which gives you the success.
Yes. And I also keep telling this in all my, webinars and stuff, is don't sell products, build communities, because that's where it is. Yeah.
Yes. That's a powerful statement, which, have ingrained in our minds.
Superb. And over to you, Jagannath. What are your top 3?
For me, I think the hope was the biggest thing that can happen. That is something we are missing. Somebody like what to do, direction. The hope in that, yes, we can do it. First thing. Second thing, the system. Without system, nothing will work, right? You have created a system which is foolproof, is works 100% if people are committed. So system is the second thing. And third thing is a mastermind.
Yes.
So this Freedom Counseling member and all this, right? And now we created different groups. I'm part of the Avengers, right?
You're Avengers. Nice.
So this actually creating so powerful thing. I can tell you, I enjoy connected with people in my niche itself. Same niche I connect with people in our community. Directly I ask them and they help me over a call and all stuff. Generally it doesn't happen outside world. It's so competitive outside. People don't care. They don't think about you. Here people are so interested because you're part of ILS community. It's like a family. People don't compete because they know that if the world is like oyster. So that kind of mindset of togetherness and friendliness is there. So I love this the mastermind part.
Amazing. Great. Thank you for sharing. And all of you here, if you're an Avenger watching this, cheer up your teammate. No, great. Tell us about the group. I know many people watching this maybe just are silver member or gold member, and tell them, tell the group about how has Diamond impacted you? Specifically, like how has that played a role in your growth?
So Diamond is like, generally people will think it's really quite high, compared to silver, the pricing and all. But silver is good to start. If you're like nursery, okay, it's a silver is good, but getting to, I put my daughter into class 1, class 2. If you don't put them, then nursery will not take them next level, right? So probably the gold is one, which is class 1, class 2, and you are getting into diamond, you are graduating actually. If you're not a graduate, you are not going to get a job anywhere. You're not employable, right? I mean, just to, what I mean to say here is that Diamondship gave me a lot of learnings in terms of, I went to the automation ministry for really, really powerful. In fact, I was just 2 days back, I was looking through this webinar jam and ever webinar, kind of thing. And the content of Freedom Counseling member is really, really good because see, the kind of people they are, all are serious. They are serious to achieve their goal, and all of them are in the zone, and we cannot get that access in, you have to stand out from the crowd.
Yes.
That is Diamondship is all about. Okay, due respect for the silvers are actually the crowd. Okay, obviously they are ambitious, but you have to move to the top 4%. Okay, you have to get into the top 4% of the crowd. That is where Diamondship got the picture.
Thank you for sharing. And Uma, how has it helped you? Yes.
So I mean, when we took the silver membership, he immediately upgraded to diamond, and I was telling that you spent so much.
Yeah.
And so soon, I mean, you first implement what you have learned in the silver level, and then he told everything about mastermind and what all we will be getting at the diamond. So if you have big dreams, you have to do things out of the box, and you have to move to you have to be in that group who are going in that direction. You have to catch hold of those people. You have to hang out with them. That's a good mind shift, and that's the best investment, I think.
Yeah. So Uma, I would like you to tell, at that point when he swiped that card, you felt like it was too much, but was it worth it? Yeah.
He didn't tell me. He just said, I upgraded to Diamondship, and I was thinking, how much money you spent? But yes, it's all worth it. We have recovered, I mean, everything, and we are learning. The best thing is we have to grow.
We broke even long.
See, we have taken so many certifications. I mean, we have studied for 20 years, 25 years, but we cannot implement that knowledge anywhere. That is all bookish knowledge. What we are learning from you, from your system, is like practical things, which is doable, achievable, and make you from rags to riches.
Thank you for sharing, and thanks for letting others know the value of Diamond membership. I think once people come in, they'll be able to see that it is not just about the knowledge; it's also about who you associate with, like the group. Just quick question: are both of you in the same Avengers group, or is Uma? Are you in a different group?
So Uma is little passive in Telegram. And
okay, cool.
So I am basically the one who is.
So you're the one who's driving it there. Okay, cool. Just checking. So if husband and wife are in different groups, then there's going to be a good, healthy competition there also. Okay, nice. So thank you so much. I think it was a very inspiring interview. All of you here watching, please share in the comment box, like this video, and on what your learnings are. If you want to know more about what they do, especially if you're someone who needs that push to get back into shape, lose that belly fat a bit, there's a link to their YouTube, the link to their website on my YouTube channel. Go and check it out, see what they do. And those of you here watching this, you're still not a part of this community, Internet Lifestyle Hub, go to sids.co/join and get started with the community. In the link in the description of my YouTube channel, there's also a link where you can join this community. We have a lot of people like this who are getting started, going through this journey of transformation, and really building a business that's very meaningful, a knowledge business that's meaningful, not just for themselves, but for even their communities and their tribes. So get onto this bandwagon. Looking forward to having you inside. And if you are a silver member, gold member, upgrade. That's the only thing I want to tell you, because that will be the best decision that you'll make. I like to ask this question towards the end of all my Hall of Fame interviews, which is the one thing. And I want to get both your perspectives. Okay. So we'll start with Jagannath. If you had to distill all your learnings into one success principle that you live by and you'll continue to live by for the rest of your life, what is your one success principle?
I think it's all about dream in the infinity power. That is my principle, because most of the time people have smaller dreams. In fact, I see people, even if they join communities, they don't, the fear is something pulls them down.
Yeah.
But I believe that you fight for your dreams, decide what you want. In fact, for weight loss, also the same thing we tell people, fight for your dreams, don't give up. People will pull you down if you're fighting hard for something which is they cannot have. So dream,
dream big. That's awesome. That's a great message. What about you, Uma? What is your one success principle?
I would say again, dream big. That is the only, that will help you in achieving whatever goal you have kept for yourself. If you don't have dream, we are not going anywhere.
Absolutely.
We are just running on a treadmill, which is not taking us anywhere.
Yes.
And definitely another thing is, catch hold of the people who can take you there.
Very important.
Hold their hand. They will take you there. Yes.
Amazing.
Having mentors in life is very important, and we are really grateful, thankful to God that you came into our life as a mentor and has changed our lives.
Thank you. It's my pleasure. Thank you so much. And last question, I forgot to ask this earlier on, which is how has your personal life changed in the last 6 months? After coming to this community, tell us specifically what all has changed in terms of your relationship between both of you, your kids, or anything else that you've never experienced before. Let us know.
Absolutely. There is a 360-degree change. We are more positive. We are more happier. We know our goals, right? We are chasing one single goal as a family. That is financial freedom. Another thing is great health and a positive environment at home.
Wonderful. Anything else you want to share, Jagannath, on what else has shifted personally?
Yeah,
you bought something for Uma, which you've been waiting for a long time.
The thing what actually has changed is, I found that one day, your birthday it was, right? And you're celebrating that day. And generally what happens, people talk about themselves, but here you talk about a charity part. And that actually triggered certain thoughts in me that we are actually making money. We're thinking on money. But how many are actually thinking of the society? So for example, people are struggling for COVID. So many problems are there. Can you donate something can you do something in our capacity?
Yes.
I started, one of the dreams I developed that, how about owning an orphanage in maybe 2 years down the line? That I put one of my goals. So that came because I get connected with you, because previously we were very selfish. Let's make money and keep in bank, right? To get some projects. But now I started thinking, how about doing a bigger cause for the society? So that I learned being part of your community. You are born to create influence, create impact in the society. That's what we need to do.
Awesome. I truly wish that both of you are able to support an orphanage completely within 2 years. And you can leverage this through your community itself. You can say, this is the mission of this community. And you can start to talk about it and maybe start helping, connect with some orphanages and start, at least helping them their operational costs and stuff. And as a community, what was the name of your community, which is this Fume Shredding Hub, is going to support, this orphanage for their monthly costs. You can start off there and then it's going to move. Yeah. Amazing. Thank you so much for sharing. All of you are watching. If you are inspired by this, share your comments below. And also hit that like button if you're watching this on YouTube or Facebook. And if you're on Facebook, please tag a friend who you know needs to hear this, or tag a friend who you feel has a serious, weight issue. They need to get back into shape, or a health issue. Tag them, because when they see this interview, they're going to be inspired to get on this journey. So please do that. And thank you so much. Wish you both all the best. Looking forward to interviewing you next in the Crore Club. We'll have, and you're going to get there much sooner than you can ever imagine. Yeah. All the best.
Thanks so much. Thank you.